I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you some test problems from IB test paper. It's on coordinate geometry. Here's question number 4. The sides of a quadrilateral EFGH have the following slopes. Slope of EF is minus 1 over 4. Slope of FG is 4. Slope of GH is minus 1 over 4. And slope of HE is equal to 4. What types of quadrilaterals could EFGH be? That's the first part. And second part is, what other information is needed to determine the type of quadrilateral EFGH is? So you need to figure out what type of quadrilateral it is and what additional information is needed to really find what quadrilateral it is. Okay. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question. Here is my suggestion. So we have quadrilateral EFGH. Slope of EF is negative 1 over 4. So you can say it's kind of going downwards, right, like this. And slope of, so we have EF here. Slope of FG is positive 4. So let us say this is F. FG is positive 4. Now since it is negative reciprocal, the lines will be perpendicular, right? So these two lines are indeed perpendicular, correct? So it's kind of like this, so we can join this. So here also we have perpendicular lines, and then it makes this quadrilateral, correct? So from the slope we know all these lines are actually perpendicular, so that is the kind of quadrilateral which you get. So this is how we can kind of sketch EF, G and H. Now clearly we can write what kind of quadrilateral it is. So these are 4 right angles, so it should be a rectangle. Now you can also call it a parallelogram since opposite sides are parallel, right? Rectangle is a special parallelogram where the angles is 90 degrees. But in case we have equal sides, we don't really know whether the sides are of equal length or not. It could be a square or a rhombus. So these are all the possibilities. Now part B is, what other information is needed to determine the type of quadrilateral? So the information which is critical here is length of segment. So if we know the length of segments, let us say if all sides are equal, in that case we can say it is for sure square or a rhombus, right? So like that we can figure out, well, if all sides are equal, then it is a square, so we can just converge to square. So that is how we can actually answer this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.